I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zine using Canva. We'll start by setting up your document with the correct dimensions, typically a half-letter size or a 5. Then, I'll guide you through selecting a template or starting from scratch, adding your creative content, and arranging your pages. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the entire process, from initial design to preparing your zine for printing or digital sharing. Setting up your zine correctly in Canva is crucial for a smooth design process. First, open Canva and select Create a Design, then Custom Size. A common zine size is 5.5 by 8.5 inches, which is half of a standard letter page. You'll want to plan for a specific number of pages, often 8 or 16, to ensure proper folding and binding. Canva's page management tools make it easy to add, duplicate, and rearrange your pages as your creative vision unfolds. Now for the fun part, designing your zine pages. Canva offers a vast array of tools to bring your ideas to life. Drag and drop your own images, or choose from Canva's extensive photo and graphic libraries. Play with different font styles and sizes to create visual hierarchy and impact. Remember to leave a consistent margin, perhaps 1/4 of an inch, around the edges of each page to prevent content from being cut off during printing. This ensures a professional and polished final product. Once your zine is complete, it's time to prepare it for sharing or printing. For high-quality printing, download your design as a PDF print file from Canva. Make sure to select the crop marks and bleed option. This is essential for professional trimming. If you're printing at home, you might need to arrange your pages in a specific order for saddle stitch binding. Alternatively, you can easily share your digital zine directly from Canva with friends or your online community, reaching a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.